Hello, I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you some gentle moves, easy exercises to do at home to help prevent your body stiffening up. Most of the exercises are going to be done sitting down, so you need to get a nice firm chair to sit on. Make sure that the area that you're going to use is nice and clear and that you've got plenty of room to move. We are going to do some exercises standing up, so make sure that you've got space around you and that the area is clear. Put on some nice loose clothing so that you're comfortable to move in. I'm going to be in bare feet, it's up to you. If you want to wear socks, it's fine, but I think it's really nice when you're at home to be able to work through those feet, because when they're in shoes we don't use our feet properly and all the muscles tend to stiffen up. Okay, we're going to start by warming up our body, and then I'm going to do some exercises sitting on the chair and finish with a little stretch at the end. Off we go. We're going to begin by warming up the body, and to begin with, just going to shake everything out. So shake your arms out and shake the legs out. If you need to hold on to the chair to do this, that's fine. And just shake, and we'll go up, 2, 3, 4, and round. Now we're going to tap out all over the body, get that blood flowing. And the other arm. Get underneath. Now over the shoulder. And the other side. First side again. Now back of the neck. And gently up over the head. And now lots of wiggles all over the face. Down the neck. Now your chests. Work your way down and round the back. Get those bottoms, give them a good tapping, and down the legs. Inside of the legs as well. And work your way back up. Now we're going to brush out all those toxins in your body. So brush away. And the other side. Don't get underneath. Brush away. Get round the back and down the legs. Let's have another shake. And a big stretch up. Well done. Now, I hope you're feeling a lot warmer now after all that shaking and tapping. Now we're going to do some exercises sitting on our chair. Make sure you're sitting at the front of your chair and not leaning back. Sitting up as tall as you can. If you need extra support, then you can always put a pillow or a cushion behind you to support your lower back. Feet firmly on the floor, and as I said, sitting up as tall as you can, shoulders down. We're going to be doing some exercises for our head and shoulders, and then for our feet. Off we go. So, as I said, up as tall as you can, relax those shoulders down, try to pull these tummies in, and our heads are going to go down and up. Make sure you've got nice long necks, and lift up, down and up, right to the side and front, side. Push the head round, keep the shoulders down. Now down and up again. Down and up, down, side to side, side and front, side. Now lift and tilt over, ear towards the shoulder. Keep those shoulders down, over and up, and over, again, over, over and up, and over and up, over and up. Good. Now, our shoulders going up and down. Just drop the shoulders, don't sink in the bodies. Keep lifting up as much as you can. And down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. One arm's going up and down twice. Keep the shoulders down and back. Up. Up, up and down, up, down, up, 2. Now try going one up, the other, then down, down. Keep the body nice and still. Up, up, down, down, up, again, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now roll them forward and round, round, and round. Other way, round, and round, round. Now we're going to lift our legs off and put them down. Always think of lifting from underneath the leg and down, and up and down, up and down, up and down. Now can you take them straight out and in. Keep those tummies pulled in, keep lifting up and down. Up, here we go, 4 more, 1, and again, up and down, up and down, up. Now we're going to push our foot up, and 2, and 3, and 4. As you do this, think of going through the middle of your foot, don't go towards the outside, just push up, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and have a little rest. We're going to carry on flexing our foot up and down and pointing our toes in, out and in, and then turning, twisting our ankles. Here we go. Don't forget your posture. Hold on to the chair if you need to support yourself. So, rise, up and down. And up through the middle of the foot, remember, and up and down and up. Now peel the foot off, through from heel to toe, toe through to heel. Again, right through the middle of your foot, toe to heel. Through, up and down. Again, if you're having problems taking your leg off the floor, then just go through to the tip of your toe and back down. Don't put any weight weight on it. When it's there, you don't want to hurt your toes. And down. Bring it up. And down. And up. And down. 2 more. Good. Now take the foot out. Rotate the ankle. And bring it in. Last time. Out. Other foot. And round. And bring it in. Take it out. Try and get the foot to go round the other way this time. And in. Round. And in. Once more. Outwards. And in. And. And in. Inwards.
You are here,
Left.
and so am I.
And good. Okay, let's just relax those backs a bit. So if we curl in, pull those tummies in, curl the back round, and down. And come up slowly. If you need to put your hands on your legs to support yourself, that's fine. Lifting up as tall as you can. And down we go. One more. And rest. Now we're going to start using our hands and our arms. Now we're going to work on our legs and our centre. So again, lifting up as tall as you can. Put one hand, opposite hand to thigh. Hold onto the chair. Keep that body nice and straight and your shoulders down, and turn from the waist. And come back. So lift up, cross hand, and turn and front. Try and keep your body as straight as you can. Don't lean back or lean forward. Nice and straight. Here we go. Lift up, cross your hand, hold onto the chair, and twist. And back. Lift, cross hands, hold on, and front. Good. Now we're going to use some hands. So open out, spread those fingers and clench. And spread and clench. Keep those shoulders down. Keep those tummies pulled in. And we're going to go up and over. One more. Keep lifting up in the body. Keep that back nice and straight. And shake those hands and arms out. Good. Put the heel of your hands together. Hands together, and then press them apart. Really press together, and then really pull. As if they're stuck with glue. So you get strength in those fingers. going over and back, 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 and rest. Now we're going to lift our arms up and flex those hands as you come back. You see as you go up and then flex on the way down. And up and really push those hands. Flex those hands up as far as you can. So one hand out, the other on top, and push. And the other one. 1, 2, and push. Again. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and push. And shake out. And rest. We're going to finish with a few stretches holding onto the chair. We're going to start with our feet together. Don't forget your posture, so lift right up. Breathe in. As you breathe out, pull everything in and up. And we just bend and straighten, bend and straighten, bend and straighten. Okay, feet apart slightly. When you bend this time, make sure your knees are going straight forward over your toes. Don't let them drop towards each other. So we bend. Still keep pulling up. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Good. Now we're going to swing our leg through. Swing, swing. Feet together, a little bend. Other leg. 1, 2. Feet together, a little bend. A few more. Here we go. And then bend. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet. Now we're going to face the bar. And we're going to bend and straighten and rise up and down. Bend as you rise up. Same thing as you did sitting down. Make sure you go through the centre of your foot. Try and keep the legs nice and straight as you rise. Now we're going to go from one foot to the other. Make sure you put your heel down in between each one. Now feet together. And just bounce. We're going to stretch our arm up, lift up out of those waists, and open. Now the other one. Up first, lift up before you go over. Try and keep the arm by your ear as it goes over. Make sure you don't collapse into it, so you're lifting up and still stretching out and over. One more. Good. Let's just have a big stretch to finish. So we breathe in, breathe out and bring the arms down. And breathe in, breathe out. One more, up and down. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed it.